Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martich here with your outlook for August 12th, 2015. And this is going to be one of the shortest videos that you'll ever see, just because there's really not a lot to talk about over the next 6 days or so. We're going to look ahead at what we're expecting for the next couple days here, but there's really not much difference in the forecast. I have high pressure out to our west here that's going to allow for a northwesterly wind flow coming in off the Great Lakes. This is going to be setting up a nice refreshing day for both your Wednesday and Thursday. Thanks to the humidity is going to stay very low. The dew points are going to be very low, and temperatures aloft are going to be a good 30 to 35 degrees colder than what it is at the surface. So we might have, I could see how today, especially, we have an increase of cloud cover. So the only thing is going to prevent it from being mostly sunny today with this cold front now well offshore. That's situated down here. This is what came through yesterday. Well offshore now. Those northwesterly winds are going to come in. And because of the temperature difference between the temperatures aloft being so much colder and the surface temperatures being warmer, we're going to have some big puffy cumulus this afternoon. So might be some times where there's actually more clouds than sun for a time in the mid-afternoon. But I don't think we're dealing with much in the way of precipitation at all, except for maybe right up here. That area I'm circling there across portions of northeastern PA. Just a stray shower possible. I mean, here's the model showing that, just a very stray shower, and that's due to those temperature differentials. As we go a little bit further here, mostly sunny conditions here on Thursday. The high pressure is now anchored over the Ohio Valley, so this is going to be continuing that northwesterly flow. Again, clockwise flow around high pressure here is going to allow for those cooler temperatures, and the northwesterly winds will provide the low dew points once again. So we get into Friday now, things start to change a little bit. We're going to have the heat and humidity starting to increase. Now it's going to be not going to be over the top here on Friday, but we'll have southwesterly winds. They're going to make the temperatures probably about 5, 6, 7 degrees warmer than it was on Thursday. So that'll be a noticeable difference. We're going to go from slightly below normal to slightly above normal here on Friday, and then we get into the weekend, it's going to get even warmer yet. Getting into Saturday here, we're going to have there's going to be a cold front that's going to attempt to move south here, and right now, it looks like this is not very impressive at all. Never did really look that impressive to begin with. We have some very isolated activity along the cold front. You might have a shower or a quick thunderstorm here, mainly family or northern sections where I'm circling here again. Elsewhere should stay dry. This front is going to move to the southeast, but it's going to fall apart. Here's the next frame. We'll go from this to this. So it looks like it just disappears here. The front will come through, but it's a very weak front, and it's going to dissipate. So that's really not going to do anything at all for the temperatures. When we get into Sunday, we're back to mostly sunny conditions, but again, the winds are still going to be from the southwest, and we're still going to have temperatures that are going to be in the upper 80s to near 90 degrees. As a matter of fact, we're going to have that much of next week. I don't really see anything that's going to inhibit something close to resembling a heat wave. I mean, we're getting into the middle of August now. High temperatures, or the normal high temperatures, are actually dropping by a degree or two from what it was at its peak, but we'll still have temperatures are going to run somewhere between 7 and 10 degrees above normal, it looks like, for a good part of the upcoming week. So if you don't like the heat and humidity, unfortunately, that's not going to be the case next week. We're going to have that heat and humidity around all of next week, it looks like, and the heat and humidity and a resurgence of summer temperatures looks like it's going to make a comeback. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martich, and that is your outlook for August 12th, 2015. Have a great Wednesday.